Welcome to Pharmacology series. The main topic of today is to understand the mechanism of action of digoxin. So what is digoxin? Digoxin is a glycoside used in heart failure as an inotropes. So what are inotropes? Drugs that increase contractility of the heart. Before understanding its mechanism of action, we need to understand exactly how cardiac muscle gets contracted. So let us start it from depolarization. So once depolarization begins, calcium channels enter into the cell via voltage gated calcium channels. So you can see this is our voltage gated calcium channels which open with depolarization and calcium enters this cardiac cell. So once this calcium enters this cardiac cell, it opens ryanodine calcium channels type 2, which is present in sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is storing calcium. So this will give calcium in cytosol. So this process can be called as calcium-induced calcium release, because this calcium from extracellular space is helping to release this calcium from sarcoplasmic reticulum. Once there is high concentration of calcium in the cytosol, it binds to the contractile protein troponin C and initiate contraction. In this way, myocardial fiber contracts. So what happens after contraction is, after contraction, sarcoplasmic endoplasmic reticulum calcium ATPase type 2 gets activated, which pump this calcium again back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum for storage. And the amount of calcium that was entered from this voltage gated calcium channel gets extruded from this sodium calcium exchanger. So this makes again the initial concentration of calcium to be normal and same as before. So this is about how a cardiac cell contracts, a myocardial fiber contracts. But our drug of interest is digoxin today, and it is used as an inotropes, means that increase contractility of heart. So let us see how does it work. So we know that cells have sodium potassium pump that is responsible to pump 3 sodium outside and 2 potassium inside. So our drug of choice or our drug of interest, that is digoxin, binds to extracellular site of this pump protein and inhibits it. Once this is inhibited, sodium concentration inside cell will increase that will inhibit sodium calcium exchanger. So once this is inhibited, the actual function of this pump, that is to transport calcium outside, is inhibited, due to which there is calcium accumulation inside the cell, which is then pumped into the sarcoplasmic reticulum via this SERCA2, that is sarcoplasmic endoplasmic reticulum calcium ATPase type 2. So this will increase calcium concentration inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum, and there will be subsequent rise in this concentration, because every time there will be entry of calcium, but it cannot exit due to inhibition of this pump. So, and every time this calcium will come out and help to contract cardiac muscle binding with troponin C, with increased force, because more concentration of calcium will definitely increase the contractility of heart. So in this way digoxin work and helps to maintain a failing heart by increasing its contractility without increasing its oxygen demand. So this was all about mechanism of action of digoxin. In the pharmacology series, we'll be bringing more videos like this. So please subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.